What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are hacking Ramadan. I'm going to show you exactly how to survive that 9 to 6 grind while fasting, how to avoid that 2 p.m. caffeine headache that ruins your day, and why your iftar meal is the number one reason your code quality is suffering. Plus, we're going to talk about grooming because dehydration makes you look tired and we don't do tired here. Let's get into it. First things first, we need to fix your mindset. A lot of guys go into Ramadan thinking, oh man, I'm going to be so hungry, I'm going to be so tired. If you tell yourself that, you've already lost. Think of Ramadan as a 30 days spiritual and mental bootcamp. It is a dopamine detox. It is a discipline trainer. When you are fasting, your body is literally cleaning itself out. Autophagy is kicking in. Your cells are regenerating. You need to leverage this. In the corporate world, especially in IT, your brain is your asset. If you can train your brain to focus while it's hungry, imagine how powerful you will be in the rest of the year. This is training. So stop complaining about the hunger and start using the clarity that comes with fasting. When your stomach is empty, your mind is sharp. This is biological fact. Now let's talk strategy. You cannot just wing it in Ramadan. If you don't have a plan, you will burn out by day 3, guaranteed. In the 9 to 6 life, you really only have two viable options. Option A is a night owl. This is where you sleep right after work, wake up for iftar, and then stay awake all night working until Sahur. This works for freelancers and college students. But for us, if you have a boss expecting you on a Zoom call at 10 a.m., this option is trash. You will show up to that meeting looking like a zombie. Your sleep cycle will be flipped, your hormones will be messed up, and you will feel terrible. That brings us to option B, the Fajr Focus. This is the winner. This is how the top 1% operate. Here's the breakdown. You sleep immediately after Isha and Tarawih. No scrolling TikTok, no Netflix, no just one more episode. You go to the bed by 10:30 or 11 p.m. You wake up for Sahur at 3:30 or 4 a.m. You eat, you pray Fajr, and then here's the key. You do not go back to sleep from 5 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. These are your golden hours. The world is asleep, your phone is quiet, no Slack notifications. You have pure uninterrupted energy from your Sahur meal. I get more coding done in these 3.5 hours than I do in an entire normal 8-hour workday. By the time your boss logs in 9 a.m., you have already finished your hardest task. You're winning the day before it even starts. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, caffeine. If you're like me and you drink 3 cups of coffee a day, your first day of Ramadan is going to feel like a nightmare. You will get that pounding headache right behind your eyes around 2 p.m. You need to start tapping off now. If Ramadan is a few days away, stop drinking coffee after 12 p.m. Seriously, cut it off. Switch to decaf or green tea. You have to lower your dependency so that when day 1 hits, your body doesn't go into shock. During Ramadan, a rookie mistake is drinking coffee at Sahur. Do not do this. Coffee is a diuretic. It makes you go to the bathroom. It dehydrates you. If you drink a double shot at 4 a.m., you will be thirsty by 10 a.m. and your skin will look dry and ashy. Save that 1 cup of coffee for after iftar. It will give you that boost you need for Tarawih prayers or for a quick workout, but keep it small. And for every cup of coffee, drink 2 glasses of water. I know we all love the fried stuff, samosas, pakoras, rolls. It's tradition, but listen to me closely. Diet equals code quality. When you haven't eaten for 14 hours, your body is like a dry sponge. If the first thing you throw at it is heavy, oily, processed carbs, your blood sugar is going to spike like crazy and then crash hard. You will get what I call the Pakora coma. Like your brain will shut down. You won't be able to think. You won't be able to pray properly. You certainly won't be able to work. My strategy is light iftar. Bake your fast with dates and water, maybe a protein shake or some fruits to rehydrate. Go pray Maghrib, then eat proper balanced meal. Chicken, rice, veggies. This keeps your energy stable so you can actually function at night. For Sahur, complex carbs are king. Oats, egg, whole wheat toast, avocado, things that release energy slowly. If you get sugary cereal at Sahur, you will be starving again in 2 hours. Eat oats and you will be powered up until Zuhur. Trust me, your bug fixing skills depend on this. If you follow the Fajr Focus schedule, you're going to hit a wall around 2 p.m. This is biological. This is normal. This is where we use the ultimate productivity hack, the Qailulah. This is Islamic tradition. nutrition and modern science backs it up 100%. But you have to do it right. This is not a 2-hour deep sleep. If you sleep for 2 hours, you will wake up with sleep inertia. You will feel groggy, angry, or confused. You need a power nap, 20 minutes maximum. Set an alarm, lie down right after Sahur prayer, close your eyes. Even if you don't fall asleep, just resting your eyes, shutting off sensory input resets your brain. When you wake up, splash cold water on your face. You will feel like you just started a brand new day. It's a cheat code for energy. We talk a lot about productivity, but we need to talk about presentation. Just because you are fasting doesn't mean you should look dead. Dehydration shows on your face first. Your skin gets dry, your lips get chapped, and you look tired. Step 1, moisturize. You need heavier moisturizer during Ramadan because you aren't getting water during the day. Apply it in the morning after Sahur and again after you wash your face for prayers. Step 2, lip balm. Chapped lips are not a good look. Keep a matte lip balm in your pocket. Step 3, oral hygiene. This is huge. Obviously, we can't drink water, so catch your breath or fasting breath can happen. Use a tongue scraper at Sahur. It removes the bacteria that causes bad breath, and use a miswak during the day. It's sunnah, it cleans your teeth, keeps your mouth feeling fresh without breaking your fast. Look good, feel good, and do good work. Okay, real talk time. It's Asr time. I still have 2 hours of work left on this project. The client is waiting. Honestly, my brain is fried. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, and I'm staring at this line of code that makes absolutely no sense. This is the danger zone. This is where most people get angry, snap at their family. We have a reset button. When you hit that wall, step away from the screen. Don't scroll Instagram. Go do wuzu. The physical act of washing with cold water wakes up your nervous system. Then sit on your prayer mat for 10 minutes. No phone, just silence. It sounds simple, but that 10 minutes spiritual break solves problems that 3 hours of staring at a screen couldn't. It resets your attention. You remember why you are fasting. You come back on your desk calm, fix the bug in 5 minutes. Ramadan isn't an excuse to be lazy. It's a training camp. It trains your discipline. If you can stay productive while hungry and thirsty, imagine what you can do the rest of the year. You become unstoppable. Try the Fajr Focus schedule this year. Fix your diet, put down the pakoras and pick up the proteins. Take that 20-minute nap and watch how much you get done. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping more content on my tech setup and coding workflow soon. Let me know in the comments, what is your biggest struggle in Ramadan? Caffeine or sleep? Let's talk about it. Ramadan Mubarak to you and your families. Stay fresh, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next one.